beat, bitch.
Can't stop, won't stop, nigga. Yeah. Can't stop, won't stop, never stop. Can't stop, won't stop, never. Can't stop, won't stop, bad boy. Always upgrading from my last whore. I done fuck my Risha, Keisha, and Joy. And I ain't tripping if you didn't enjoy. I was locked 23 and 1. Now I bought like 23 and 1. Sniper game, I'm always playing manhunt. I'm the one who killed the fool and what? Still got the fire in my eyes, but I changed though. Suck my dick, bitch, I'm too rich to drive a Range Rover. La hater, baby, I remember stealing mangoes. How my side bitch fuck better than my main hoe. How my side bitch fuck better than my main bitch. Every nigga say smoke, they get extinguished.
I just talk that Guapanese, that's my language. I just put some Cartiers on my main bitch. I just put some Valentino on my main hoe. Bad boy chain bustin' like the rainbow. I'm off yak, I'm with yak in the limbo. Yelling out the window, money in the thing, ho. Yeah, we outside again. Couple goons with me, we ain't hiding it. Brand new color, and that's what we sliding in. That little bitch, I proud of her. That pussy good, she proud of it. I can't fall in love, cause that money be my bottom, bitch. But she still suck it and she swallow it. All these niggas steady hating, cause my money be my problems. And we'll let these niggas talk and we gon' silence them. King.
Can't stop, won't stop, bad boy. Always upgrading from my last whore. I done fuck my Risha, Keisha, and Joy. And I ain't tripping if you didn't enjoy.
Yo.
I was locked 23 and 1.
Yo.
Now I bought like 23 and 1. Sniper game, I'm
What up, chat? It's been a minute. It's been a minute. Where's Green at? This has been a minute. It's been way too long.
I'm not the one, I'm not the two, you know it's C3. She brushing on my waist, talking about she need me. Ooh.
Can't stop, won't stop, bad boy. Always upgrading from my last whore.
Hey, run a likes up, chat. Run a likes up. Oh, your likes? Come on, we can do better than that. Better than that. I'm still coughing. Yes, I was lying when I said I was sick, chat. Yes, I was lying. I'm not lying. I'm actually sick. But I'm fine.
April, is that Jambo? What is that stage for us? Kicking up cameras. Yeah, we could be superstars. But a British time is up. And so we fell off the spinning tops.
Say you my nigga, I'ma be your killer. Nobody gonna play with you when I'm with you. Go against any nigga like fuck this glitter. Skeet all third on bitches. I put it in for you, I spin for you. Whatever you with, I'm with it. How you gonna cross the nigga?
Yeah. Hopefully. I think we're good. Hold on. Fuck. How am I gonna stream today if I'm just gonna keep coughing? My fingers will be in a mute button today. Damn. What up, Green? My boy. My camera out. Call it. No, I'm good.
When I slide, nightlight on the blick. Bet I'm on my shit when I'm outside. So them ran down, caught them pants down. Nigga, you shitted. I knew the perk was fake, but I still ate it.
Hold on.
Yeah, cut those bins.
Where's my camera at?
Back door wide open. Wait till my sniper get out. All you niggas gon' die. Time rolling. Bustin' on my opponent, no hands stepping. Crush my arms totally. Wood jet broke, no motion. Sleeping on sofas, creeping in highs like roaches. I done went cages and stages to cage. Now free me, baby, can't keep me, baby. I beat them cases, they already hate me. They gon' want me dead when I'm on probation. Oh, y'all think Lil Yak retarded? Y'all ain't seen nothing yet, I promise. Niggas can't take me, niggas can't guard me. I be on the fuck nigga ass like Charmin, aka 28 Carvin. We could've been superstars.
Where's my camera at? And this thing turn on, or else I can't stream. Hello? Oh, okay, that's how I fix it. I miss you guys, chat. It's been a minute. I miss y'all. All right, here we go. Here we go. Now it works. There you go. Hey, what up, chat? What up? What up? What up? There you go. Now it works. I don't know how much stream today. All right. So, what up? What up? What up? What up? So, chat, welcome back. I know it's been a long time. I know it's been 3 days. Sorry I left y'all like that, but unfortunately, I got the colds. It's not even bad, to be honest, but I just didn't want to cough on stream. The cough isn't too bad right now. Like, it got a little better. Barely coughing, but I couldn't stream the last 2 days. Or else just every second just be me coughing. So I just had to take it off. Unfortunately, you know, I didn't want to, but you know, we're back today, and it's a Friday, right? And things are looking good. I think everyone had a pretty decent week, right? I think everyone had a pretty decent week. The last couple days were pretty clean. I think yesterday was clean. The days before that were pretty chopped. But let's see if we can end off the week strong here. Yeah, today we made you proud when you were away. Yeah, you guys did. You guys made you proud on a Discord server. Oh, we're trading. Yeah, chat. Today you have no news today, so nothing major going on. No major USD folders. You have CAD, and then 910 minor folder, but that's a 910, right? Who knows? We'll be on to 910. That's about it. That's all you got today. I think next week looks pretty interesting. You have a lot of euro and pound news next week. Tuesday you got you read floors for US dollar. Next Wednesday you have interest rates for Canadian dollar. Thursday you got advanced GDP, employment claims. Friday you got, oh yeah, by the way, next week's the last week I'm streaming, because I'm going to New York for a week. I'm gonna bring my laptop, but there's no guarantee if I'm streaming. I'll be with Marcos. Well, I won't be with Marcos for all day. I'll be with Marcos like maybe like 1 or 2 days, but I'll be over there with my girl. But when I link Marcos, we'll see what we can do. We'll see if we can get some shit together for you guys. Maybe like a stream or two here and there. But yeah, that's next week. All right, so I'll be streaming all week next week until Friday, and then Friday I'll be streaming on Friday, and then I got a flight on Friday as well. So yeah, that's next week. But yeah, let's hop on a chart here and take a look at what we got going on today, right? All right. The last time we stream chat, we got blacklisted, right? Hopefully they don't do anything to us today. That was not fun. That was a curse. It was meant to be. Alright, so let's take a look at what we got going on today, chat. So today you have let's take a look at the weekly on GJ here. So the weekly on GJ here looks like you have closed above the range here. So you closed above this weekly resistance for the first time ever since I think the beginning of April 2022, right? Yeah, so that was the high we made, and then throughout the year you just started to range, but now you're starting to break out again. Now the only issue I have with the weekly this week was that I had no bottom wick, hence why I didn't drive as much, but it did drive a bit, I guess you can say, to like 170 levels. I was expecting like 172 to get tapped this week, but it looks like we didn't drive, and I believe part of that is because you had no bottom wick, right? So I mean you still have clean traffic if you close above for next week. However, I would expect the bottom wick to be created somehow, some way, maybe even next week. But the daily time frame, you can say closed bullish yesterday. So what you have here is basically you have a support form here, right? Because you form support here the other day once you close bullish, and then you had a resistance up here, and this is the range we're in now. With us closing the way we close, with us closing bullish at support, I would expect this next candle to drive up, as long as it respects the first day of low, which is yesterday's low, right? This is what I'm expecting for today's candle. Minimum target is 169.416. However, you need to flip first, right? So if we're expecting price to flip here due to the fact that we're tapping the support and we didn't break the weekly lows yet, or day lows yet, you can start to anticipate moves, right? So you can start to anticipate moves on a small time frame. So where would my buys be? Probably drop this to a small time from here. So I believe range 2 breakout sells are pretty clean still. You can get sells at any given moment, especially below here. I believe below this support off the hourly candle would be clean to take us down towards the next support. I'm not sure how big this range is, but this is what I got going on here. I believe this range is 57 pips, right? And then as for buys, like if I want buys today, I would need a range 2, or sorry, the sells are a range 2 breakout. I'm a little rusty here. However, the buys would probably be above here. If I were to say buys, still are probably above like 168.751. I don't really like this range we're in right now. I believe it's just the range that we're going to be stuck in for the next couple of days until you break out. I think this range is, again, 100 pips. It's a 100 range is definitely tradable. However, buys for me won't probably be until you break above here. That may change later if you start to form support, like the onion here, right at the bottom of the range here. But until then, I got my buys marked up above 168.751, and then my next TP is gonna be up here at the 169.500. All right. So that's what I got going on. Not bad. That's all we're gonna wait for, to be honest, for today, for GJA. Pretty simple day. And then gold here. I'm excited to see gold because gold for the weekly was bearish, right? Even though you closed right support, I think I broke this down on Monday. I broke down saying how there was a resistance here, right? And since price is closing back into the range, it doesn't matter if you're closing right at the support because the overall range here is basically marked up from here to here, right? Not here to here. This is not your support. Your support is here, this to this. This is your range, right? So since we're like breaking back into the range, I would expect price to continue to drive down, fill the range, and that's what price did this week, right? Came all the way down to 16.13. That was mentioned on Monday's analysis. So pretty bearish for the week. As for the daily, pretty bearish as well. However, I would have loved if we closed below here off the daily here. We closed right at that support again. So I don't know how much room we have to go to continue to drive down today, unless you can mark this up as your support down here. Unless this is your support, because if this is your support, then I guess you can say price kind of respected resistance. I could be wrong. Yeah, price kind of respected. I can still drive down today. So if that's the case, then we're breaking back into this range off the daily, and therefore you might even see 1570s say, 1580s say, right off the daily, because we're back into this range here. And as you can see here, every time price closed in this range here, what did it do? It came down to fill the range, right? So if that happens today, that'd be pretty interesting. I mean, I would love for that to happen because then you have all that range going down, right? All that volume. But it comes down to a small time frame, of course. So sells for me today would probably just be, let's see, what is this? 1616. All right, cool. So this is your next support here. So if you want sells below the clean traffic levels, let's see. Gold might take some time to analyze it because this traffic is way too far back. All right, April 2020. These are the lows we're back at, right? All right, let's see. Yeah. It's like playing a video game, bro. Just clicking. Where's the traffic at? What do you mean? What? I paid for premium just so I can't see. I pay for premium so I can't see the traffic? Bruh. That's all I can see? Bruh. No way. I just paid for the premium too, man. What do you mean I can't see that far back? Bruh. Alright, anyways. I guess I gotta go off the alley candle, not the 30, because I can't see that far back, man. Or there's a hack. There's a hack still. Let's see if this is still valid. Because if you can go back to here and then boom, going on 30. There you go. Now I can see a 30-minute time frame. So 30-minute time frame shows that wait, is that 30? Yeah, it's a 30. So 30-minute time frame shows that where's price at right now? 1625, right? So it's already up here. So this is your resistance here right now in price. This is marked up going across. And then you can say that this is your support down here. Oh, this is your support down here off the 30. That's your next support. And then this is your 1 hour support down here, right? So it's a little different. Or actually, I'm going to 1 hour. Oh no, that's the same support. Okay, nice. So you can just remove that, and you can say this is your next support down here off the 30 on 1 hour. Like here-ish. Yeah, this range isn't clean as range to mark up, but I believe anything below 1624 and 1617 is pretty decent today. So let's go mark that up. Just so we can have our levels. We can go back later and check for new levels that are being respected later. But for the time being, I'm just focused on 1624, right? Because you see how you have a resistance here. You break back into the range, we're gonna go down to the support, right? 6 and 17. So it's a 70 pip range going down. It's not bad. So let's go back to price. Boom, and there you go. Those are your levels I'm focused on today. So if I want sells today, I believe a 1 hour closure below 1624 would be pure decent, because that's also a range 1 fake out. If the day bias is heavily bearish, right, and the 1 hour is bullish right now, however, the 4 didn't break the highs yet, the 1 hour candle decides to break back into the range and does something like this, this would be perfect for the fake out. Then you can take sells coming down and fill the range, like so. All right. So those are sells we'll be looking for. All right. But yeah, that's it for me today, chat. That's it. You know, I've been sick the last couple of days, but we're back. Of course we're back. But yeah, that's my analysis. So now just wait. It's like always. All right. Can you please share your thoughts on US30? Maybe later. Just want to relax right now. You need upgrades to Superior Premium? I'm paying like $100 a month on a training fee here. Just for clean traffic candles. Shout ban on user notification. It's probably silent. You guys didn't get notice? If you didn't get notice, then how'd you come here? YouTube notice should be there. Yeah, we're not. No, we're up. We're in. I hate seeing FOREX stuff on my page. Well, chat, I miss you guys. Damn, it's only been 3 days. Right? No, yeah, I didn't stream for 3 days. I streamed on Monday and then streamed Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So on Go Bots above 629, I'll value in your opinion. 16, 29. Yeah. Above here, yeah, it's pretty valid. It's a range too. Right, because if you don't, it's like, because if this doesn't get respected here, if you don't break back below here, right? What's happening here is you're respecting the support. Even if you close bearish respecting, like you're still respecting the support. If you close below, then that's a different story. But if you close like bullish or bearish respecting, it's still valid. Technically, like if you were to form this is a range 2. And then anything above here is clean for clean traffic. And then you can take price going up. Yeah, I'll be interested in buys above there. It's a range 2. Yep. Buys above here. Range 2. Above here, you have clean traffic going up until 1635. Right. Not bad. Can you explain range 1, range 2? Exclamation point ranges in the chat. The link should pop up. Also, that range 2 would be a 4-hour break the highs. Yeah, range 1, range 2 is I have a video for it. Just search up on my YouTube. Or no, exclamation point fake out in the chat. Fake out in the chat. Link should pop up. Controller, FX, fake out. Watch this video here. It teaches you about fake outs and how to avoid them. And or the whole range 1 and range 2 theory behind it, right? It's all here. So buy. Go watch this video. Came out nearly a year ago. Damn it, Friday here, chat. Finish off good. Finish off strong. How's your week been? Did Wickstein catch anything yesterday? No, right? There was nothing for Asian last night. Yeah, it was pretty choppy Asian. I had sauces, but I deleted them too. Yeah, nothing for Asian. Why does he have his boxer to the left and no chat? That's funny. Market was slow. Hopefully it picks up. Markets aren't too bad today. These buys are looking pretty decent now that I'm looking at them. Above 29. Pretty decent. It's not too bad of a catch. But I pray we don't stay in this range here. From 29 to 24. Your first losing week in a cool minute. It's fine. Yeah, man, it's in the Zoom link. Oops. Oh, I did. 12 week in London. London, really? I saw London was pretty clean this week. I was up for a majority of sessions, but it looked pretty decent. Tons of volume for London. Maybe not last night, but little shark fitness. It was bad this week, really? I don't think it was that bad. I don't think it was bad if you just stuck to the plan in terms of breakouts. Like it was bad if you traded in the range, but if you didn't like guess or predict the breakout and just like hopped in the trend when price would have break out, you would have been fine this week. Ooh, nice. The support's being respected here. Not bad, Kieran. I couldn't stream. I was just coughing. Unfortunately, bro. That's fine. As long as I showed up. As long as I show up today, we're good. Glizzy District. Hey, yo, bro. Nice name. Glizzy District. That's crazy. That's how you feel? That's how you feel, bro? If I take a 4-hour play, would you consider losing risk percentage as the stocks get much larger? Yeah, of course. Bigger stop, smaller risk. Or same risk, just smaller lots. How it goes. It's up to you, really. You can use the same lot size. There's no right or wrong, right? There's no right or wrong in FX. That's the thing in FX too. A lot of people like to just compare and do what the other person's doing, but really just do what works for you, man. If you know, I mean, personally me, I wouldn't take that level of disrespect. No, I'm playing. Personally me though, like if I were to take 4-hour stops and there were like 60-50 pip stops, yeah, of course I go to small risk. However, it's up to you, man. You can go to the same risk. There's nothing wrong with that. You don't need to prove anything to anyone, right? You should be like happy that you guys don't have to explain everything you do. Cause me, like everything I do, like, oh, why'd you move your stop loss? Oh, why'd you move your TP? Like every little thing that I do, it's like, why'd you do this, Don? Yeah, like ask Circle FX. You know, he knows. But you guys should be grateful if you guys are out there streaming and stuff, or you aren't sharing your analysis all day. Like people are not gonna question everything you do. And it's funny because I remember Ted saying this too. Like he was talking about how like there's no need to like, you don't need to explain everything you do, and that's why he doesn't like really stay on like social media as much. Because when he's on, like, whoa, what's that sound? people are gonna be like, oh, how come you close here at 4 pips? How come you close here at 10 pips today? Like, it's just some days you do things a certain way, some days you do things a different way. You know, it's just, it comes down to the markets, and you can't really control. But like, it's just people see you close half at 10 pips once, and it's just like it's like every time I take a position, they're just expecting you to do the same thing over and over again, which isn't true. Yeah, for real. It's like, why did you chart that color? Like, those are the questions I get. So you guys should be grateful, man. If you guys want to stream, man, be happy that you can take a trade in peace, and no one's gonna like be on your ass about it. Like, why'd you do this? Why'd you do that? You can only explain so much, right? The rest is up to them. What if there's no bottom wick? What does it mean? Exclamation point wick in chat. A link should pop up which should explain that for you. It should explain that for you. I just saw K earlier. Where's K at? Just did on us again? Black Knight Chess Academy. What's going on, bro? This is a Glow 3000 put you up for 3 days. True. True. Where you been? I've been sick. I've been coughing, so not COVID, but just a cold. I was still fine. I was still playing hockey and stuff, but I just couldn't stream because I didn't want to cough on stream. Felt good, dog. Sleep was nice. Thoughts on new COD? Did it come out? I didn't even play it. No, it didn't come out yet, right? Only the beta came out. I haven't been playing games. I've been playing NHL. That's about it. This hat hurts my head. What up, Enhance? Check GJ for what? I'm waiting for above 168. But this is nice though, because look at the daily, right? Didn't it break the lows yet? And if you're targeting today 169.405, this is great. How big is the range going up from here? 100 pips, right? Yeah, so this is great because now if you can, oh yeah, the 1 hour did close bullish. I think I was more interested on buys above here. I wanted a breakout. How big is this range going up? 42 pips. Damn, that's bigger than I thought. Interesting. Yeah, no, I would prefer if we can just break above this high here, above 168.751. I prefer if you break above there. That's also the 4 hour break the highs and also the day break the highs, right? Current daily high, that's the day flip too. Because for all we know, we can still be in this range hovering all day. So I'd rather just wait for a breakout above. I'd rather see this next kind of drive up here, like this, and then close above for 738, and then boom, a 738 would take more buys. Yo, Emma wasn't bad the last couple days though. You guys did fine, right? How much you guys up this week or down, or whatever your stats are this week? So do not give me amounts because you get banned. Don't say how much money you made, just say your percentage. Please. Say just focus on music. That thing doesn't work no more for some reason. Oh, it doesn't work. What do you have today? There's no focus today though. That's the thing. There's no focus today. I'm gonna leave it as that. And then Spotify could change, I guess. Yeah, this could be here. You seen this 1 hour fake out done based off the support that just drew and removed? Yeah, I see the 1 hour support at GJ. Or the 1 hour fake out, yeah. I just prefer buys above 168.751. I want to see the forward break the highs there. So I mean I would expect this kind of drive up. Like technically that's closing that support. This next 1 hour candle should drive up. It's just that one, your stops be too wide if you use previous candle stops. You need a current candle stop. And two, I mean that's about it. I can't really take a position here even if I wanted to, right? It would have been a 63 pip stop. So yeah, I'm gonna have to wait for a breakout above. 2%, 1.3%. That's pretty good. 2.5%, 1%. Break even. 3.5 this week. Started off 7%. Damn, 7%. Godly. -7. 10% this week. Nice. No blue dart account this week. That's good. Proud of you guys. You guys did good. Held it down. If we can just get these gold buys here. I'm true. You follow her? Thanks, Jake Taylor. Appreciate it. Thanks for showing love. Thanks for coming by. Yo, chat, is the stream record updated? Yo, Steel's been eating this month, not gonna lie. It's been a good month. Stream though. New York session is not haven't been bad. 321, 321. Yeah, we're the same shit, right? 321, yeah. And the yearly record is 110, 35, 48. 110, 35, 48. Not bad. I think we have the best record on YouTube. And then the Signals channel, Not bad. About hit that 200 win mark, I believe. Not bad, not bad, not bad. 251. 2 runners this month, man. 2 runners. Great runners, too. Great runners. Do you know Scout Payback? I don't know any other FX traders, man. So, if you ask me, I got no clue. I got no clue, man. The only other FX trader I know is Wix9. That's it. That's my boy. You know, we came up together. That's it. Other than that, man, I don't know nobody else. You have the best record of any live streamer. Well, we have the only like recorded record since January. I don't want to say the best, but we have the most recorded in terms of like it's been recorded every trade since January. Like these stats here aren't capped, you know. Next year we'll add percentages. I really want to know how much will be up this month and this year in percentage, but I fucked up. Beginning of the year didn't add it. Maybe next year we'll add it, or we will add it next year, and then we'll calculate that next year, right? Yeah. Fortunately, not too much. Yo, okay, what's up? Since we bearish on gold, we are waiting for a range 3 breakout, correct? Yeah. So I have my buys above 1629 here. 1629. What up, Ned? Where's Wix at? Oh, Wix is awake. I see him. He's coming. What's more satisfying for you to take a win on GG or gold? I mean, a win's fine. A win's a win. I don't care what pair it is. GG or gold, either pair, right? A win's a win. I hold no grudges against any pairs. Even when those pairs have range days, yo, you never hear me saying, oh, GG is shit, gold is shit. No. I never switch up my pairs. You guys do. You guys always switch up. You guys always like, yo, Don, GG is so shit right now, bro. Why are you trading it? And then the next thing you know, this thing moves 100 pips, and you guys are like, oh my gosh, GG just paid my bills. Yeah. You're fake. That's what you are. Yo, fake. Always switching up. Same as Asian London, huh? Oh, New York's all of a sudden better now, right? But the last couple months, oh, London's a lot better, chat. Or Don. London's way better than New York. And then next thing you know, this thing ranges and you're like, oh, London's shit now. You guys are just fake. You guys just say truth or plan. That's what it is. Stay true to your plan. The good things will come. Trust me. Stay fake to your plan. Bad things will come. Yeah, foo. Did you get a 490? Yeah, when's it coming out? Or didn't it come out already? Yeah, yesterday I was freaking out, like, oh my gosh, you caught that in GJ. I'm like, yeah, it was only like 10 pips. It wasn't like I caught 100 runner. It was like 10 pip trade. Yeah, sick done. Yeah, I got a sick. Unfortunately. US30? Oh, yo, yeah. I'm gonna take a look at it now. I said I was gonna take a look at it later. I've been chilling for a minute, so we have like what, 4 minutes here before the 15th closes. So let's just take a look at US30 real quick and see what we got going on here. Wanda. Wow, it looks like nothing has changed. I can just leave my levels as is. So starting off with the weekly on US30. The weekly, as you can see here, it's still respecting this resistance. So at any given point, this thing can still reverse or still reject and still be respecting this range here, because this is the range we're in right now, right? So at any given point this week, even though we're bullish right now, don't look at the current candle. Always look at the previous candle and see what this candle is trying to tell you, right? As you can see, this candle is still below the range. So at any given point, this candle could still do something like this, right? To drive down towards this 28,628 mark. So as for sells today, sells would be great below, let's see, US30 sells. Sheesh. This is your current support here. This is your current range here. Actually, I don't know where the resistance is. Kind of chopped here. Wow, that 4 count is pretty clean. Looking at the 4 alone, looks pretty clean. I mean, you're closing below his range here, and so technically anything below here should take you down towards next support, which is gonna be down here towards this level start the 4H. Now it just comes down to the small time frame, obviously, right? So if you have a 30-minute support here, all you gotta do is wait for a 1 hour support or closure below, and then sells below there coming down towards here. Wouldn't be too bad. This wouldn't be too bad of an idea for US30. It would be too bad. Biggest range, 1700 points, 107 pip range going down. Not bad. And then you have more sells below there coming down towards here. Yeah, the ranges aren't as clean here because you have a lot of like traffic. But in terms of us like breaking back into a certain range, it's pretty decent. It's like this is a range on its own, and then this is a range on its own. But in terms of clean traffic, it's not really there. Because there's a difference between clean traffic and the ranges, right? Huge difference, but I mean, we're not trading this regardless, so I can care less what happens today in US30. But that would be my idea. Anything below 30.167 would be clean to go down, to go drive down towards next support. Do you think other pairs move better in Asian? Yeah, some pairs have their sessions, right? Certain pairs have their sessions, but I believe most pairs move during a New York session. But like, you can't expect like NZD USD to move or NZD CHF to move during the New York session, right? It'll move mostly during the Asian session. But those are like pairs that I don't really touch. Yeah, 40 cases 2 months ago. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And these aren't even like our best months. Oh, it sounds kind of cool. Yes. For the ASMR in here. My bad. Thank you, Nav Deep. Appreciate it. Yo, chat. So as you can see here, GJ 1 hour candle has came up here as expected. I think we drew this out. It was just, again, the reason why I didn't take it was because initially I wanted buys above 168.751, and then I'm like, you know what? The 1 hour closure above here isn't too bad because this is a 1 hour fake out above. However, like I couldn't take any buys here just because there's no stop loss that I had that would have made sense, right? Like nothing that would have made sense. The 1 hour stop loss was like nearly I think almost 64 pips. So like the RO wasn't there for that. And then current count stops, like you barely got a bottom wick, so that didn't even happen, right? So at that point I'm like, oh, gotta wait for closure above 168.751. So we might get that here in about maybe in 12 minutes here once the 3rd minute closes. But you need a closure first, right? You definitely need a closure first. So we'll wait for that. It's pretty clean though. It doesn't look too bad. I think above here, right? You have all this clean traffic. Because like if you close above here now, right, chat? If you close above this resistance, what's gonna happen is it's gonna mirror that count to the left. It's gonna mirror these counts here. It's gonna mirror this candle. But let me just make it less confusing for you guys. So this is the range you're in. If you close above this range here, let me just move it down to show you guys real quick. Right? It's basically gonna mirror this candle, this candle, and this candle. Every time price broke above there, it drove up, right? So I would expect the same to happen here. You break above, you should be good to drive up to fill that candle to the left. Should be a pretty neat candle. And then the range going up again is like 100 and, or sorry, 37 pips. Yeah, 4 pips around there. Oh, that's a 15, right? Yeah, sorry. The 1 hour will be, the range going up would be around, that would be the 68 pip range going up. Not too bad though. You don't need no body. Team buys in GG. I just explained what I need to take buys in GG. I need a closure above. I need a closure above to buys in GG. Guys, gotta listen up. Y'all gotta listen up, chat. I know you're a little rusty, you know, but gotta pay attention. What up, Astro? Astro Sinatra? What's going on? I'm at the break-even state. Need advice other than minimize losses. Yeah, that's what they always tell you, right? Oh, managers. They don't tell you about sample sizing though. Sample sizing, that's what you need to do, man. You need to spend. You need to pay attention to what you're doing in FX, right? When you're trading, you need to pay close attention to what you're doing. Like in terms of your strategy, you need to pay you need to record every single detail that you follow in a trade, or every single confirmation that you follow in a trade. You need to make a spreadsheet, right? We have one here, it's free, and then you need to keep stats of all your trades. For instance, this is our spreadsheet, right? On stream, this is our stream trades this year since January. We've been taking every single trade recorded here since, and it keeps tracks of literally every single trade taken, every type of trade. For example, what time frame? These are our time frames. These are our strongest time frames, and these are our weakest time frames. What entry type? What sell type? Right? And then at every few months you can look back at it, or every year. It comes down to you and what you prefer, but you can look back at it and be like, okay, well, that setup was garbage. It didn't play out as much. The percentage is way too low. So next year I'm not gonna take that no more. And then you can add something else there, and then you can sample size that instead, right? You can come onto the sample size spreadsheet. You can sample size a certain setup, and then once you sample size a certain setup, you could, after some time, put that in your official playbook once you get comfortable with it. or once it becomes valid to you, right? Whatever valid to you is, but that's what you should be doing to get better in trading. If you're at the break-even stage, man, it means because you're taking losses. So you need to find a way to minimize losses, right? Minimize losing ideas. That's what you gotta do, and that comes with sample sizing, right? Because you wouldn't be having break-even days if you didn't have losing days, or as many losing days. So that's the best way to do it. Like next year, I'm looking at not taking positions off of the break of the previous higher low anymore. Just enter on the flip, because that percentages this year is so low. The previous higher low is like 57 with 55 trades taken, and then the current higher lows are obviously 73, and the flip is 83. So it's pretty low. The seller is 9-1 too. Pretty low. Like that's majority of our losses this year came from trades the previous higher low. We have 55 trades taken on the previous higher low, and overall we had 35 losses for the year. Majority of those losses came from that. So goes driving, yes sir. You have about 6 minutes left for third closure. You trade pre-London? Yeah. Not often though. No, not every day though. Yo, George Java. Yo, go to the welcome page, and then it shows you, if you read, it says to use file, make a copy, and then, you know, follow the instructions. You'd be alright. On pre-London, how do you do with Asian high and low breakout? It's relevant. Asian is relevant to Asia, to London, and London's relevant to New York. Each session is their own. Each session has their own ranges. Don't focus, you can't compare the highs and lows from Asian to London. I mean, that's not how I trade, at least. It's too much like predicting and guessing going on there, right? There's no real data shows that, oh, London will always retest the Asian highs or such, right? All Asian does is, if anything, here's the bottom wick off the daily for the London to drive and the weekly to drive, or sorry, the New York to drive and continue. But each session is their own, man. Like, this is London last night. London session last night was like this is London last night. You're in this range here from here to here, right? Or sorry, even here. Yeah, this is the Asian range, the London range last night. Nothing happened since. You've been in this range since, right? You came back down. You've just been hovering. Come to New York session, market ranges again, and you have a different idea, because it's a new idea each session. You should be restarting your charts every session. I mean, I don't really trade like, you know, highs from Asian. I got to the buys back up to retest the highs from, you know, it's not how I trade. I just take a range to another range. There's no predicting involved. It's like, we break out, cool, taking my buys going up. We don't break out, okay, I'm not taking positions here, right? We're just in a range. That's how I can trade. When I trade pre-London, same plan, right? When I trade New York, same plan. Asian, same plan. Nothing's very different. You wanna, you know, decrease the amount of times you guess in FX, or the guessing part in FX. You don't want to have that guessing part in FX. If you gotta guess in FX, predict, you know, that if your plan involves predicting and guessing, you gotta reevaluate a bit, man. That's not good long term. Guessing and predicting is all from the heart. The heart ain't gonna make you money, man. Sorry. The markets don't care how you feel. You know what I mean? The markets do not care. If you feel biased today, cool. You can feel biased as much as you want, but market's gonna do what they're gonna do at the end of the day, man. So you gotta follow. You gotta be a bandwagon in FX. You kind of just gotta hop on the trend. Like let's say this is your trend, right? Man, if I'm taking sells on price, I'm taking buys. So for instance, if this is the wave we're on, I'm taking buys. I'm still taking buys up here, right? Okay, what happens down here? We might come down career range. Is this enough for me to take a sell yet? Right? Is this enough here for me to take a sell yet? Nope. Here? Nope. Here? Nope. Oh wait, what's this? Support? You broke below? There you go. Sells. Oh, we're pulling back. Is price going to reverse? No, not yet. You need a range 2 breakout, right? So range 2 breakout will be above here. This is still range 1. This is just a high being created. Boom. Tick sells. So all you gotta do here, every time price forms that range again, is draw your support resistance range, breakout, more sells coming down, right? That's all you do. You just follow the trend so it breaks. But you don't want to be the guy that's being like, oh, I gotta take buys up here, I gotta take sells up here, I gotta take buys from down here again because you're breaking the lows. Because look, if you did that this month for gold, the past couple months, you've been fucked. The gold monthly candle doesn't have one bullish candle in sight, right? The monthly has no bullish candles. I think for the past, since like April, not one bullish candle. And guess what we've been doing all since? Every month, if you go to the month, each month of our analysis on the streams, April 1st, March 1st, May 1st, June 1st, July 1st, August 1st, right? Every month we've been saying bearish, because all we're doing really is following the previous candle. Until we close bullish here and form that bullish support, there's no buys on gold yet. It's still bearish. And for all we know, looking left, this thing is all clean traffic coming down towards these ranges here, right? Like, I'm not taking buys here. Some people have been like, oh yeah, there's a support here, take buys here, or sorry, take buys here. There's no bullish candle in sight here, bro. It's still a bearish candle. It's still bearish trends. Oh dumb, but there's 7 bearish candles in a row. You know about the 3 candle flip? No, bro. There's no such thing as 3 candle flip. It's called, you're just following your heart flip, right? You gotta keep taking sells coming down until you form and close bullish. Like, is this enough for me to take buys for next month? Maybe. Like, if you close bullish with a support, maybe. But preferably ending above these ranges here. Boom, perfect. You break above, now you should drive up. Because if price comes down towards here, which it probably will, right? It's probably gonna do something like this for the monthly. You're gonna form us a range here. That's what you're gonna do, a range from here to here. So what you gotta do after that? Wait for a breakout. If you want buys, wait for a breakout above. If you want sells, wait for a breakout below. Continue down. That's all that is. You just follow the trend till it breaks. But you don't want to be that guy that's just like stack. Like price must go up. No, price probably not gonna could continue to drop down still. the three candle flip, whatever it's called. Yeah, I've heard that before. But then there's 3 bearish candles in a row. It's gonna flip. Really? If price was that, if trading was that easy, bro, we wouldn't lose, man. Because every 3 candles we'll take the opposite position. If trading was that easy, imagine. But you have a 30 closure. You have a 30 closure here. Let's say GJ closed rat resistance and then gold closed right in the range. So not much we can do here really. Yeah, need a breakout. I've heard a 12 candle flip. Yo, FX. What up, man? Wix 9. Stop typing in the chat. I see you. What's the deal?
What is the deal, chat?
What
What's
is the
going
motherfucking
on?
deal? Yo, what's not been holding it
It's a
down?
beautiful morning. Mm, 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 mm. Ah, it's a beautiful morning.
Yo, what's that? You ever watched that show as a kid? Oh, never mind. It probably wasn't your time.
My time. It's always my time.
Well, this show ain't your time. I know it wasn't your time. Mr. Rogers?
Oh, I know Mr. Rogers.
Oh, you probably know him in real life, don't you? He lives down the street from you, Miami.
It's
wait, no, I
a
think he
beautiful
passed. I
day in the
think he passed.
neighborhood. Beautiful day in the name. Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Won't you be my neighbor?
Wait, yeah, this was your time, Ashley. Yeah, this was your time. Look at the date. 1720.
He was the original
Definitely was
DJ
your
of my
time.
time.
Yeah, this is before my time, if anything.
This is where MT1.
Day for a
they had
beauty.
Administrator 1.
Would you be mine? Could you be mine? I have always wanted to have a neighbor just like 3-4.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie.
Could see that.
What did he used
You
to
need to
do?
move a lot to get it up there.
I don't know, but whatever that guy is doing
Really
that he's
happened.
interviewing
Auntie Lady
is no good.
Elaine gave me a hat to teach something.
Yeah, what did he used to do? We just like do random like, was it like
Look,
a
it's
vlog?
It's
Yeah.
almost black and white. You know, like when
Yeah.
you're just getting out of the black and white phase and into the color, it's like almost black and white. It's still grainy enough for you to remind you of black and white right there.
Yeah. Like it's phase one. Phase one.
Chat, who else smacked gold cells last night?
Not me.
What you mean, not you? I'm talking about Asian session. I'm talking about the fucker waited. We put a sell stop, waited an hour for it to not activate, and then we closed the charts and it activated.
My hat started hurting my head.
Did you hear me?
Alright, what?
I said we waited for an hour. At 9 p.m. we placed a sell stop.
I was looking
And
for the
then-
same cells, yes.
And then you saw us grab the cells?
I didn't see you grab cells, but I had my levels marked up same level. I was looking for cells below here too, but it closed out below at 10 or some shit, right? It's just hopped off.
No, but we got it on the 4 hour.
Ah, the
So-
4 hour.
Go to the 4 hour. The 4 hour closed below. Right there, yeah.
Oh, the
and we
1 8.
took-
Oh, this one. Okay, yeah.
No. The 9 p.m. 4 hour
Yeah,
closed
this one.
below. So I had it marked up right there, exactly. Right where you have it. It closed below, and then it activated at 10:45.
Yeah, after it's so late, so I'm like, I just hopped off after.
I told Stream, I was like, hey, if by 10:45 this shit doesn't activate, I'm gonna delete the sell stops. And it started coming down right at 10:45. I was like, all right, let me leave it, and fucking smacked it for 50 pips.
That's some good shit
It's a
right there, yo.
beautiful morning. What's the deal, chat? How's everybody doing? It's Friday. Y'all ain't got a job.
You ain't
Y'all ain't got
nothing
shit to do.
Get
We
you
gonna get you high
today.
today. Cheer up, everybody. We made it through another night. We survived.
Yo, how many people viewers you have last night?
The forces of evil got confused on the way to our house and never made it.
How many viewers you have last night? 360?
No, around 300.
Y'all lacking, man.
Yeah, well, I think I couldn't get 200 views yesterday. 200 likes yesterday. I was at like 190.
Yeah,
It was tough. If we
People are
stayed
fake.
longer for that sell to play out, we would have had fucking 300 likes. I would have had to be on till like midnight.
chat. What is this, bro? Chat, what is this? If I don't see this number jump up, chat.
What does it say?
It says 136.
That likes?
Yeah.
Oh shit, I forgot to like. Hold on, I'm gonna give you 130.
If I don't see this number jump up, chat. So 200, chat. We're gonna have a problem today.
Chat's like, you know what? Start taking away likes. Drop a like, chat, like and subscribe.
Oh, almost there. I should keep displaying it. Maybe that'll motivate them. Chat, almost there. 9 more. You guys can do it. You guys can do it. You guys can do it. Almost there.
Said I quit weed yesterday, but since you guys are here, I'll make an exception.
Oh yes, do it. So every day is an exception. We're here every day.
I
Chat,
quit
10 more
weed like
likes.
40 minutes ago, but since you guys are here, I'll make an exception. I'll unquit just for you guys.
Oh, there you go. Thank you, chat. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. 200 likes. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, that's all we ask of you guys every day, man.
shit.
Just do like.
Yo, there's mad weed in the bottom of this grinder. It's like finding $20 in like a washed pair of pants. It's crazy. What?
You
I'm
only find
impressed.
$20? I found losing toonies.
Yeah, I don't know. It's very rare for me to find like a
Oh
$100
shit!
bill.
Just realized. What is it? 21st? Oh shit! Yo, Wix, did you check?
Oh yeah, I checked.
Okay, that's why. That's why I came here like that. I get it.
Where? No, I'm in here like this because I've been like this since fucking midnight. I didn't want to go to sleep. I was already planning the song I'm gonna sing in the morning as I was falling asleep.
Yo, I feel those ones. I woke up today, and I had the same mindset. Found pips under his pillow.
And then I just saw a little cherry on top.
What broker are you using? Blueberry Markets. Regulated broker. No spreads or very small spreads. And no commissions on gold. I mean, that's what I use. You could feel free to use whatever you want. If you're not from, if they don't offer you to broker in your country, then use Trader's Domain. Pretty good broker. You can use Crypto's Country. Great broker actually. I've used them too.
Oh, my song's on.
Commissions for one lot on Blueberry. 0 commissions on gold. However, for regular currency pairs, $7 a lot. So small spreads, not bad commissions. Like, what more can you do? $7 standard though for every broker.
You're just gonna let this song rock and not let me vibe out?
Yeah, yo, Michael Erickson, it definitely can be applied to the 5 and 15. The same concepts, because at the end of the day, if you just remove the time frame, candles are candles. Doesn't matter what pair, what time frame. Candles are candles. Any strategy, any currency, structure, candles are candles. That's all you have at the end of the day. US30, I don't even know. I didn't check. I can't get copyrighted Wix again. I gotta be careful with the volume. Got blacklisted last time. Didn't feel too good.
Yeah, I got blacklisted yesterday.
Right
As we were setting a sell stop and be like, I'm gonna have a sell, and the shit just got blacklisted. I was like, fuck, hold on. Now I gotta wait. I gotta turn off the music, wait for everyone to come back, tell them we lost 100 viewers off that. We were at like 320, and in an instant we went to like 230.
Are you getting monetized yet? You made your first dollar on YouTube yet? Yeah, right?
Yeah.
That's
I
good.
just haven't gotten paid yet. I've made it.
You get paid. You gotta get paid $100. Yeah, you gotta make $100 minimum to get paid.
No, I haven't made $100 yet.
Yeah.
You hear that, chat? YouTube is a long, long road.
long road.
But we're gonna get there. We're coming up on 2.5K, almost 3K subs.
You think traders, they don't send out signals? Yeah, sometimes because I don't have time to send a signal. It's just instant in and out. What do you expect to send a signal for? You know, when I don't have time to send a signal. By the time I send a signal, it's already 10 pips in profit. I'm already closing. All right.
Oh,
That's
man.
normal though. That's not like there's no gun being held to my head saying I gotta send a signal for every trade that I take. I can choose what. You should be happy at least that I'm taking the signals that I'm giving out. Like, that would be a problem. If I wasn't taking the trades that I was giving out, that would be a problem. But for me to take trades and not call certain things, like sometimes when it's too quick, that's not really a problem.
You should be happy.
Yeah.
You should be happy he doesn't call those because like a lot of times by the time he makes that call, what, it's 10 pips in profit, and if he did send that out, a lot of you would be entering a trade like by the time he's TPing, and then you're wondering why you're in drawdown and Don is out of a trade already because you wouldn't have had time to enter, and he just saved you some money by not calling a signal. Most other gurus would have sent out a signal fucking an hour and a half late. Once you take an entry, a late entry, they're already out, and you're sitting there in drawdown wondering what the fuck.
Once in blue, it's on you. That used to be my saying back then, you know? Once you're in blue, it's on you. Who remembers that, chat? If you remember that, you're an OG. I'm talking before Wix 9 days.
Yeah, I don't even remember that.
This is before
you must have
WX.
had like 3 viewers.
This is for W9. It should
Might
be
have
a
been
thing.
a private Zoom.
If you remember those days, like once it's in blue, it's on you. You're an OG. And Gold may drive down here. What up, Marcos? What up, my boy?
Hey. Yeah, I know why he's here early.
I know why he's here early too.
Marcos would be early every morning if he hopped onto my Asian stream. He would have a reason to hop on every morning. You don't know shit.
Hey. 1 hour fake out? Wixland?
I was just about to say, how about the fake out?
This is looking
Yeah,
beautiful.
I'm looking for it,
Beautiful, man.
That's what I'm looking for.
This is looking beautiful.
What do you about gold today?
Whoa.
What do you about gold today? Yo, leave me the fuck alone. Fucking cat, yo. I told you to come in. I told him to come in last night before it rains. He didn't want to come in, and now he's over here. Meow. Meow. Fucking idiot. I told you.
Where is he? Where do you stay then?
Huh?
Passing like rain?
No, he was
Can we
hiding.
see your cat? We never seen your paws.
You've seen my kitty.
We've never seen
Chad,
your
who
kitty
wants to see
before.
my kitty?
You hear that? He like a cat meow. He like her cat meow.
He ran under the bed. What's up? I'm gonna get him.
Just give him some
I'll bring him
catnip.
over. All right. There's more than one way to skin a cat.
Sure. Those are wet kitty, someone said.
Yeah, they ain't lying.
Yeah,
It's a wet kitty.
It is a wet cat, bruh.
It's a fucking shaggy cat. He walked in and he did the dog thing. He went like this. Cats don't do that. Dogs do that. Cats go, "Urgh." He did the dog thing. "Urgh."
Yo,
And
we've never seen Wixon's cat before, bruh.
yes, you have. I showed him to you. You were like, "Holy shit, he's huge."
Yeah, I see the cat, bro.
Yeah, next time he's roaming past me. He's pissed off at me right now. He just walked by me and just fucking cursed me out in cat.
He looked
Straight
at
up,
you like with the eyes.
He looked at me and cursed me out in cat 100% because he went. He didn't even, it wasn't like a mouth. It was a. Ate it up for cloud. There's a stream where he just walks in also all pissed off and I showed it to you. You were like,
Why doesn't
"Oh,
your
shit."
cat hang around your PC setup? That's usually what cats do.
No, he hangs around the pool. You know why? Because we have like the neighborhood cats all come over. Like I walked out last night, like as it was starting to like drizzle a little. I was gonna call them in, and I see like 3 other neighborhood cats just chilling in our backyard with him. And I'm like, this is what you're doing? You you sneaky motherfucker! This is what you're doing. You're having house parties while I'm away. He's inviting all the neighborhood cats. He's just chilling, partying in our backyard with the iguanas.
The cat. So let me see your candlestick. The head and shoulder pattern.
Call him Wix Mao.
What's your cat's name?
Wix Mao. Meow.
Yeah, you should shop a GoPro on it, bro. Good content.
Yo, how I let him out in the backyard yesterday evening, he's fucking mowing by the front door over there by like the road and shit. Like, yo, I'd love to. Honestly, he came back one day with like a chunk of his like skin missing, like something bit him middle of the night, and he was crying and he hid in the closet for like 3 days. I put like
Came back out and it was fixed, right?
no, it wasn't fixed. Like I put the peroxide on it all over it because he had like chunks of his stomach
That
missing.
burns.
Peroxide doesn't really burn, but it oozes like, you know, in order to
On a cat.
like, yeah, but I had to because I didn't know if it was infected or not. I was like, stay still, and he was
That
like,
sounds like
no,
stuff you
fuck
bring to
you,
the vet.
meow, meow. Cats, they're very independent. That's the thing, like, right?
Yeah,
They
they aren't
don't look-
clingy. Dogs are.
They're,
You ever had a
they're
dog?
they're very curious animals, and they're very independent. Yeah, I had dogs. Like, see, dogs think you're a dog. They're not self-aware, right? They think you're the top dog. Cats, on the other hand, they're like, look at this pussy. The fuck away from me. Cats are like little drag queens, especially my cat. My cat's a drag queen. The way he walks, 100%. They astral travel when they sleep. No, my cat just travels.
Yeah, where did
think he's
cats
got a
have not
passport.
lives come from?
Where did it? There's more than one way to skin a cat come from.
But you know the saying goes, cat got 9 lives.
Yeah, but how many ways are there really to skin a cat? Has someone like tried it and was like, no shit, there's 2 ways now. I'm convinced. I'm smoking what Wix smoking word. Wix is about to smoke that giggity.
Look, your favorite song is on. Your favorite artist is on. Yo, Wixline, if you can recite one full 6ix9ine song from start to finish, every single word in ad-lib will give you a funded account.
I actually could, but I'm not gonna do it.
I know you're not doing it because it's a funded account.
I actually could, but that funded account right there is throwing me off.
No, me too, bro.
You're gonna ruin my brand with that funded account.
Someone in the chat is like, what's wrong with funded accounts? Nothing.
Nothing. We love funded accounts when you use them.
Exactly. There you go. Dude, how many questions do you have about funded accounts in your chat?
I've had one in a week. That's it. They know my opinion.
Good. As long as they
voice
know,
it.
clip it and ship it. That's it.
Oh, what I don't get is clips. I need clips from my stream. Yo, we gonna get this fake out. We gonna get this fake out. We
The
got
level's like a
10
fake out range 1.
minutes.
Yeah, that's a fake out. Yes. If you close above, that's a fake out. If you don't close above, that's or below, that's not a fake out. So I have a question.
Yeah.
What's up? What's your question? Suggestion to the individual who uses your system and trying to migrate to a 4-hour charts. You just gotta Do the same thing
shit.
on the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, it's the same shit. Wait, same closures, same top wick, same bottom wick, right? It's the same thing on the 4H. Wait, do you smoke more on your stream or on my stream?
On your stream, 100%.
This song's called 420 in London, so.
I smoke more before my stream, but more during your stream. I don't really smoke during my stream because by that moment there's 3 little kids at home and they're running into my office and they're always grabbing my shoulder and just pulling. We smacked yesterday. Smacked it.
Thumbnails.
You like my thumbnail?
Yeah.
She's a 10, but she trades on a funded account. That's hilarious. That means she's not a 10.
Yeah, she had 10. Yeah.
She's not a 10, bro.
Yeah. That's. Yeah,
Oh,
10 no
shit.
more.
Don't be saying shit like that. What time did I TP? We closed 50 pips at around midnight.
You up? Were you up to midnight?
I was up till way past midnight. I was watching the Lakers Clippers game, and then I watched some news.
Yo, breakdowns first, bro.
Hey.
The song's so hard. Everyone's hating the song. But yeah.
First time you see me breakdance is gonna be the last time you see me breakdance.
We seen you do it one time.
That might be the last time.
No, we gotta see it again, man.
That first time might have been the last time.
Yeah. You always guess 30 for us.
What?
Guess 30 for us.
Stop it. It's gonna be a private Zoom.
Yo, chat.
Private Zoom.
First
session.
10 people to sign up, 250 per Zoom class. We're selling.
Hey, 250K.
Yeah, imagine you
No.
pay for the education. You come in the Zoom calls all dancing. Like, yo, what is this that I paid for?
It's Wix on a pole.
Yeah, bro. I'm gonna need a refund for that. I'm gonna have to call and.
And nothing on but a fucking bow tie. And shit. Get the 3-candle reversal bar plate tattooed on my ass. Who's coming? It's just jokes, chat. Just joke.
Hey, get ready, bro. 5 minutes.
Word, lock it in.
He's on rock. You know why you guys like the song? It's because it's a Jersey. It's a Jersey beat.
Enhanced said, I'm leaving.
I'll make our stops here, bro. Yeah, Lee. 50 pips. I'll be our stops yesterday for you on that trade.
It was 28, I think, something like that. 30.
Damn.
I was in the stream for the first time last night, but deleted my sell stop around 10:40 because I thought I was being in a trade between 11 and 1 and it wasn't good. It isn't, but it was a 4-hour and the way it was coming down, I pretty much figured we're gonna get. I was gonna go break even really quickly on there. But honestly, Jaden Ross, what you did, if you're a newer trader, is a lot better for you because over time, if you start pulling away from those positions, you will save yourself some money. What I did was based on just experience.
Exactly. Your own experience.
My own experience that made me comfortable. And if honestly, if we were in a stream, I probably would have walked you guys through it. But I can't run a stream, for an infinite amount of time. I
Why
got
not?
shit to do. I set up the levels. I drew up the levels. I told them what I'm looking for. I even told them where my sell stop is before I closed the stream. I said, this is where my sell stop is. And I told them where I'm gonna have the stops and TP and everything, and it played
So
out.
it's a
and-
stream. It's a stream trade then.
Yeah, everything was done on stream besides the actual activation. We set up, the sell stop. I put everything up on stream, and we didn't wait for it to actually activate. I couldn't. I had to go. I had 3 daughters. I had to put to sleep after a night of eating Halloween candy all night. So I couldn't put my kids to sleep till like midnight, and once they passed out, I was like, damn it, no more candy ever for anyone. Took so long, that's why I deleted it. Yeah, it wasn't really about how long it took, because it was a 4-hour candle. We knew that by the end of that 4-hour candle, it should come down.
What time did it come down at? You said 10:30?
10:45.
So think of it as like a 1 hour candle, and then price came down by
By 11, yeah.
Yeah, but like let's say it's 1 hour candle. It came down by the third 15-minute candle. That's all that was.
It just took a little
the
while.
first
fourth.
15 candle, technically, because it was 10 p.m.
Yeah.
First second, right? That's all that was. Or for example, a 30-minute candle, it came down during like half the candle, basically. Like
It waited.
mid-candle.
It basically on the hourly just kept making a top wick before.
Yeah.
On the 4-hour, the first hour and a half, it made a top wick before finally driving.
Perspective, right, chat? Perspective.
And
Same
you know what?
thing.
It wasn't it was very simple based on the 4-hour. The 1 hour was just, and the 30 and everything was very, very barcodey. Everything, just nothing but barcodes. But the 4-hour, and it was the higher. Like if it was the 1 hour and the 4-hour was the barcode, we wouldn't take it. But the 4-hour was the stronger time frame gave us the move, while the smaller time frames were barcodes. So the indication there was the 4-hour. I never even, if you saw my stream yesterday, I barely turned off the 4-hour. We stayed on the 4-hour chart for like a good hour and a half, hour or an hour, because that was the only play, just the 4-hour. So we needed the 4-hour close and the 4-hour top wick and flip. KO'd, woke up in profit, never trade from your bed. You took our position, Eddie? You took the one we set up on stream?
Yo, 1 minute. How big are stops are for you, Wicks? I'm looking at the previous 30-minute lows. I want to use the current candle. If you don't get a current candle, I'm using the previous 30 low or 30 high. Sorry.
I think the hourly is the more solid one, which is why we really want a nice wick here.
This is what you're expecting, right, Jet? Something like this to play out. This is exactly what you're expecting. To be a nice top wick tapping that resistance, perfect. If not, then I guess we can sell it now for the pair start.
Let's joins to you, chat. Who got this?
20 seconds. Hey, no bottom wick.
I'm smoking Don's coffin.
No bottom wick. Sorry, it's just second hand. I can smell it through the zoom. Alright, chat. 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, and bottom wick is there. Perfect. So just a top wick and then the flip, or 2 30-minute lows. 30-minute highs.
Need a steeper wick.
Yes, yes, yes. I don't got sell stops just yet. I don't have sell stops just yet, but it's gonna be the breakout lows probably below 1622. Don't have anything just yet, but wow, is that clean, man. All right, perfect. Gonna have sell stops here, chat.
He broke the low and then it rebroke its own high.
1622.82 is my sell stop.
Broke the low. It made a wick, right? A small wick. Then flip, broke the low, and then rebroke its own high. Now once it flips and breaks its own low again, it should just drive.
Yes, sir.
You have a current or previous? Previous 30. Previous 30, right? Break.
Yep. 1622.82.
I have 0.882.
I got
1622.85. 0.84.
I got 88. I'm blueberry.
Oh, I got 84. Traders on me.
And then stop loss chat is gonna be since for now it's gonna be a first 30-minute highs, but if we create a steeper wake, we'll just move it up to the current highs. But for now, it's gonna be the first 30 highs. So figure our stops, but tomorrow lots, right? Stop loss is 27.187, and then TP is gonna be 1617.998.
Full margin times. Marco said.
Yo, by the way, Chad, this trade here, I think this is just like a breakout, or no, you can say it's a 1 hour fake out, right? Right now, 1 hour fake out. So it's just a 1 hour fake out, and then the first higher low. So 1 hour fake out, first higher low, or no, current higher low. Yeah, first higher low. I guess we're activated here, right? Yeah, Chad, got activated here on self stops. Self stops have just been activated. Stop loss again. Previous 30. Oops. Previous 30. For 42. TP's down here for 50 pips. And then I think the B point will be somewhere around here. Honestly. Anything in this range here. 1621, 430 would be B point for me. In partial closures.
Say full margin times sounds like a fucking newspaper. A weekly, it's full margin times. Get your edition today. It sounds like a weekly newspaper for failing traders. Full margin times.
That's a good idea, actually. It'll be a very popular newspaper.
Very popular. I mean, there's a wide audience, right? It's catering to.
Yeah.
You could be full margin on everything.
Not too bad.
Full margin times, not just for traders anymore.
You also close. I also liked how you closed below this range too, below 1623 here.
Yeah, below the most recent.
Yeah. Pretty straightforward. It'll be great if you get the celery player. But obviously, you know, we don't want the celery. You just want to count the drive, obviously.
That doesn't sound nice, W9. It's not supposed to be nice. It's supposed to be funny. Laugh, motherfucker, laugh. We're in a trade. Enjoy it.
Wow, what did it say?
He said it's not funny, Wix. It doesn't sound nice, Wix. Said it's not supposed to be nice. Be funny. This is your comic relief for the day.
Yeah, but you have to be stressed in about 2 minutes. Bonds and drawdown. What's gonna happen here?
It's gonna make a steeper top wick and then drive. You guys will be fine.
There's one thing I can tell you, man. You can't do anything anymore about the trade. You're in. All I can do is manage risk. So find a way to manage risk. What's my plan for managing risk? Well, if we close bullish above these ranges, if you close bullish, right? Keywords, then I'll manage risk. If not, if you close anything below, respecting still valid for me off the 1 hour time frame, right? Therefore, I'll still be in. But it'll be more of closures today for me rather than just breaker highs and lows, right? The only thing I'll say is it's a 1 hour trade. The 1 hour stops to be preferred here, but it's a little too wide. So I have a 30-minute stops. That's one thing. Other than that, it's pretty clean. Pretty clean idea.
I never understand how you tend to be profitable. You don't need to understand how we're profitable. You can just look and see that we're fucking profitable.
Exactly. Like what?
And then just copy what we're doing. You'll be profitable too. You're sitting over there trying to figure out while other people are fucking learning to be profitable. Why figure out how we're profitable?
Like we have 1 year results here on our IG, and we have stats on stream, and then we have
years of live streams every day. Just watch every live stream and then tell me how we're not profitable. That's the question.
You don't gotta understand it. You gotta see it. Simple as that. We don't gotta explain anything. Now that doesn't mean like every trade we take is gonna be a winner, right? Don't get me wrong. This can be a loss, but this is why we're profitable though, because even if it is a loss, we're taking the same trade tomorrow, right?
And if it's a loss, it's not that full loss. We're not set it and forget it people like your average guru. You gotta either stop loss or TP. Every candle that prints, every closure you get, every break, a high or low, There's more info, and you get to adjust your TP levels. You get to adjust your risk, right? Your risk is always, it's not static, it's dynamic, it's always moving. You have more info being available to you. So we're never going to let it hit. It's very rare, maybe one out of less than 1% of the time, I'd say, or 1% of the time, we let a full stop hit, right? You'll either manage risk once you get closures back above range, or once we get closures on the higher time frame indicating that we're going the other way. So, or once we get a closure with no bottom wick, right, indicating there's no more range to come down for the next candle. Like, this is dynamic. None of this is stationary and static and just set it and forget it. So that's why. And that's why you don't understand, because we have enough experience to manage our positions throughout the trade, and we very seldom hit full stops while we hit TP or full TP or half TP 80 to 85% of the time. That's how we're profitable. We, you know, we have great risk management and an incredibly high win rate. I didn't even think we had that high of a win rate till Don put it on a spreadsheet.
On a spreadsheet,
I was
real.
like, nah, we're not at 80%, maybe like 70. And then Don put it on a spreadsheet. I'm like, holy shit, we're at fucking 85%. I'm like, yo, we're
at one
way
point,
we didn't give ourselves enough credit. I'm there, like, you know, like thinking I'm not as good as I am. Straight up.
Yeah, man. But that goes for everyone, no? Like, whatever strategy you have out there, man, just stick to your own strategy. Follow your own strategy. Don't do what the other person next to you is doing just because that's the high of the moment. You know, don't get blinded by the lights. I always say.
That's the way to fail, because you follow the crowd. 98% of the crowd's failing. Guess what's gonna happen to you?
You might. The thing is, like 98% of the crowd's failing, but you're not always gonna see the fails. And 90% that's failing, it might show just the wins, right? And yeah, people get blinded by that.
So Martin, what if we didn't set a stop loss? Would that make you feel better?
Oh yeah, exactly. No stop loss.
It doesn't go that way. Like, it doesn't matter what. I could have set the stop loss at 1,000 pips. It never goes that way. If 95% of the time it goes to your TP, why are you even setting a stop loss? Like, what's the point? Then just close it out manually when you clearly see it going against you. But why set a stop loss? This RR talk is senseless. I swear, I'm gonna prove a point. We're gonna prove a point. We're gonna trade no stop loss next year. Watch.
Or we're gonna have no stop loss on screen.
We're just not gonna set it. It's gonna be wherever the fuck you want it to be.
Because then no
right?
one's talking about RR no more.
You can't talk about RR. Where's your stop loss? It's a break even, motherfucker. Where's yours?
No stop loss, gang.
Word.
That's the thing, though. People get. It doesn't really make sense, the whole RR talk.
Marco said I was about to come stream, but fuck that. You guys ruined it, Pat. Pat, you ruined it.
For real.
And you're 95% profitable. Why don't you fucking drop a chart before a trade plays out so we could fucking learn something from you, and maybe we could all take a trade together. Educate us, Martin. Educate us. I'm down. I'm always open to, you know, I always tell Don, you know, there's a learning opportunity can come at you anytime. Maybe Martin is really great, and if he's able to, you know,
show us months,
share with the gang,
not just come by once a week.
Share with the gang what you're thinking. Let's break down a trade before it happens and your idea. Like, post it in the charts for stream. If it's a solid idea, you know, we can discuss it. Maybe we can take it too, and then all of us can eat off your idea. But so far, 80% of the time, we've been eating off our ideas here. You trolling him?
Marcos be like, "Alright, motherfucker, ours was a 1K account." I'm like, "But Marcos, that's my small account. Trade it for a fun account." What do you mean by that? Why are you even trading money for fun?
There's no dirt. I actually find these discussions healthy because you guys are all here,
Yeah, it's a
and
healthy discussion.
a lot of you really want to be Martin, but when you see the reaction Martin gets, a lot of you stop wanting to be Martin.
No, yeah, it's all like these talks are they're just not really arguments, more so just like explaining ourselves, right? That's all that is.
Yeah, they exactly. Martin has provided an opportunity for us to clarify certain things that we wouldn't otherwise have to clarify.
It was a live stream for a reason, I can tell you that. I can tell you damn well that when it wasn't live stream, I didn't have to explain anything. But when you're live streaming, you have to explain everything you do, right? So
You gotta.
it's best
like,
to just put it out there.
but that's why I like it. You know, Martin is the audience, and a lot of people come here with Martin's mindset. And we realize that these questions are gonna be here. They're gonna happen, and it's not. You know, there's nothing bad about asking them. It's just don't judge. You know, try to find out. You know, educate yourself, help yourself, ask questions that are gonna help you. And asking how I'm profitable with such a big stop loss at the end doesn't make your trading any better. We've shown that we're profitable, and we're showing you what we're doing to be profitable. And we've just explained to you why we're profitable as well. And if you don't want to listen to the reasoning, it's on you. Why did you even ask the question if you don't want to hear the answer? Like, right? We answered it, and you weren't happy with the answer we gave. You're like, fuck that. Nah, I'm 95%. It's like, why are you asking me the question? That's amazing.
I'm
God
right
bless you, brother. 95%. That's incredible. You should start a class. You probably fucking kill it because you can show results, right?
But
you
Wix,
have a.
it's a secret. If I put it out there, they're gonna know.
Yeah.
That's how it goes. I can't live stream though, because if I put it out there, the banks gotta know what I do. Can't expose my strategy, you know. It's gotta be a secret. Ooh, comics in 4 minutes is realized, or 7 minutes. Sorry, 7 minutes. Yeah. Can I ask why y'all both against? We're not against one accounts. I just never touched them, ever. I just prefer to trade my own capital. And even if I were to go back to when I first started trading and I didn't have much capital, I would have still did the same thing.
It's counterintuitive. You have to think outside the box overall in trading and try to find different nuances in the charts that you can exploit. You know, find different things in the market you can exploit. And then the funded accounts, they put you in a box. They create time restrictions, they create limit restrictions, level restrictions. And some of them create a certain type of trade restriction, right? You can't trade a certain type of way, and it puts you in a box which is counterproductive to being a successful trader overall. In general, just the idea of having to do certain things. It's almost a funded account, but there are people. It's not that you can't take advantage of people. So there's plenty of people that can stay within the parameters and take advantage of it. And a lot of people have funded their real accounts with funded accounts. So nothing wrong with that. There's funded account babies that have become pretty successful. You know, I think Paul, Stop Loss Matters. There's a few people, but the majority, the huge,
Lots to break even.
Incredibly, yeah, stops to break even. The overwhelming majority is going to get smacked by funded accounts. And the thing is, they're in the process of still learning. They haven't mastered trading, so they're learning, and now they're getting put in a box as they're learning. Counterproductive, but yeah, close half here.
Sorry, I moved stops to break even. I closed half, got 5 lot right now instead of a 10 lot, and now it's just risk free towards TP or just break even. All right. There's 15 closed there. Yeah. Oh. Good work.
I guess the stop loss wasn't really significant here. Irrelevant.
Yeah, irrelevant. It's just stops are just there so you don't blow your account, but that's it. Like, it's irrelevant. Those billion in drawdown, they didn't come close to the stop loss, right? It's just there to save you from blowing your account, but your idea is correct at the end of the day, right? And look, came down, tapped the support. Why did we close half here? Because there is a minor support to the left here, and at any given point, price will reject here. Look what happens to the left last time. Price rejected here. The same thing can happen here. So you want to be safe rather than sorry. So at this point, break even, closing half, and Boom.
And if we know it's coming down, why even set a stop loss, right? We know it's coming down. Like there's
It's just there to
no
protect
way it
your
was just
account,
gonna
right?
shoot up there, like right. And even when it went into drawdown, we knew like, hey, don't panic here, right? It's gonna come down. It's just making a steeper wick.
Yeah, you're always ahead. You're still ahead. Like, you know, that drawdown. Like, what would you have there? 4 pips drawdown, like, or
Statistically, right, the probability was still on your side, regardless of what the drawdown was there. What drawdown was there?
you guys can close 4 if you guys want to. How many pips are we at? You know what? What time is it? 8:16. Ooh, runners or no? Oh, the 4-hour flip. Never mind. Yeah, the 4-hour flip can still flip here. You close 75% wicks, you said?
Yeah, close 75.
Nice.
Gonna keep them coming down. Ego? No, it's not ego. I'm
Yeah, it's not ego. No, like
I'm
that's not the point we're trying to make here.
Ego is when I could tell you I'm the fucking chart whisperer and I tell the charts where to go, right? I fucking said the shit was gonna come down and it came down. No. I'm trying to beat into your head that stop loss or the RR is irrelevant if you know where your trade is going. You don't even have to set it. It's really like a safety net for you not to blow your account. God forbid something happens.
Yeah, I close 75% here at 23.
You get news and it flies the other way, but overall, it's relevant.
Yeah, no, like the point we're trying to make here is that like having a stop loss is just there for you to protect your account. Like at the end of the day, you're just trusting your analysis, right? If you're expecting price to drive down, like you're just placing stops there in case price doesn't drive down and you're trying to protect your account. That's all that is really. But it's not there. It's not there to be like, oh, like you're not expecting to hit stops, you know?
There's no right. Every time you enter a trade, the expectation is to win, right? That's what you're expecting.
Like
and if you're entering a trade with the expectation of losing, you know, you already lost. You're letting the trade manipulate you. And if you want, you can set a stop above where you feel comfortable. But realistically, if you know it's going your direction, why do you really need that stop? You can fucking close out a trade manually if it's not working out. And most of the time, if you're confident, if you were right in your setup and your position, your entry, and it does start going against you, you'll get indicators, right? I mean, you'll get indications from the market, from the candles printing that it's starting to go against you. So it's not going to go break your stop loss levels. Most of the time, you'll see it close back in range and you'll close the trade out, right? I mean, it doesn't go to our full stops. That's what we're trying to say. It's very rarely that the trade goes to our full stops.
And also, as for TP, like TP is there for a target, but you can close whenever you want to close. Like you don't have to hold the TP here. Like if you've seen like certain things in the chart they didn't like during a trade, okay, and close here. You know, there's no gun being held to your head saying you have to hold to the TP or else this is not a 1-to-1 RR. You doing that, bro, this thing doesn't even come back all the way to break even. Then how will you feel after, right? You'll feel like shit after. The other day someone's like, yo, my trade came 100% profit. I was 1 pip away from TP and then it came all the way back to break even. I feel like shit. Oh yeah, I mean, like
good.
You risk
if you didn't
1
take
pip
money
to miss out on 100 pips. Like, bro, what's that 1 pip gonna do to you? But yeah, we close at 75% here at 23, and the rest is running here. You know, risk free. Close. What I close here? Sorry, I closed 7.5 out of a 2.5. Okay, so I got 2.5 running. Yeah, comics here though. Right now as we speak, so comics just opened up. I mean, we're expecting price to drive down, right? And by the way, this is broken down since the morning, chat. Like, this wasn't no like last second type deal. You know, this is broken down since 6:30. I said fake out sells below here. This thing has been here since the morning, and I said wait for a closure back into the range. 6 sells coming down, and then we got it.
I hopped on. Don was saying, looks nice. Fake out here.
And you know what I'm gonna do here, Ashley? Dunzo. There you go.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
So you could continue to hold the trade or close.
Yeah, but you didn't secure it 1-to-1s, so I don't know how you're profitable here. I'm just kidding, Martin. Just kidding. Love you. Thank you for being here. You're awesome. Drop a like, subscribe. But I'd rather have a Martin, right, who is interactive, than have there's like how many people here? 850.
Like 5 marks.
I'd say like 20 are interacting, right? So there's definitely like 800 that are just quietly and not asking questions or just going along blindly with what we're saying. Don't ask questions, but like questions that can make you a better trader, that'll help you out. It's a beautiful morning.
Hey, yo, chat, leave a like, chat, if you guys enjoyed today's stream. If you guys enjoyed anything about today's chart, you know, my wisdom, Wix's wisdom, Wix9 holding you through that trade, or just anything about this trade, waiting for the closure, being patient, you know, figuring out this, like anything about the trade, just leave a like, you know, because the win at the end of the day doesn't really matter. What matters is you gaining that knowledge and value from the streams. So don't leave a like for the pips, bro. Because I know damn well if we were to take a loss, you'd be shitting on me. Leave a like for the value drop, because that's what matters the most. Win or loss situation, you're always gonna gain value from us, no matter what. So almost 3% day. Hey. Hey. Every close at 1.7. Why does it look like this?
Why does it look like this?
That's not updated. Let me just.
What?
Am I tripping? Why does it not show the full closed?
Oh, your meta quotes is frozen.
It's not frozen. It shows the profit at the end of the day.
Close it. Close the meta quotes, MetaTrader, and reopen it. There you go. It's closed.
Not ending chat. Hold on.
I heard it restart.
Oh, there you go. There you go. Yeah. I was gonna say, like, what? What is this? Probably just glitch. Yeah, I was gonna say. What? Hey, because my mobile showed it, but this didn't show it. Man, what a beautiful day. What a beautiful return. You know?
40 racks in 2 months.
Yeah, what percentage is that, chat? Couple percentages, huh? I think that's around
fucking 30%.
30%, yeah, not bad.
Yeah, 30% in 2 months.
And like September was a bad month too for me. Like these are bad months. These aren't good months. Like compared to what we had earlier this year, these are considered below budget, below average months, right? And we're still doing pretty decent. So, oh, let's up to the trade staking.
Can't say none, and all that's on terminal. Every trade, every day, the terminal is shown. Don is fucking killing it for yous.
Yeah, even if I didn't have a terminal though, you know, like when you said I don't have a terminal, people think, oh, Don, you don't have a terminal, you're not trading. Why would I not do the same trades that I'm calling out?
I think that terminal honestly opened up a lot more questions.
Yeah, if anything open, that's why I didn't want to drop the terminal, because it's just. I was for about to Ted and his saying of like, the more you show, the more questions you get. So why show?
Exactly.
Right?
The more scrutiny you get, like if you want less scrutiny, you know.
The more stuff you show, even the spreadsheet, like this isn't being shown to flex, but people look at it from that perspective. Yo, let's go update the spreadsheet. 111 wins, so 111 wins, and then we have October 4 and 2 losses. Not bad. And 1B. Nice. Well, chat, what to do now? All 700 of you guys, all 800 of you guys.
I guess we can go home now.
Appreciate you for being here today.
You guys can all leave the
office. If you came late, you missed out. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. Right?
I want someone joining the streams long enough to quit their job. I want them to quit their job live on stream. Like we take a massive W and you guys can just get up and quit. That's what I'm waiting for. A matter of fact, fuck that. We just took a W right now. Go to your boss and quit now. Just kidding.
knowing when to close or perfecting your closures. Hey Daniel, you're about to quit your job? Yo, Wixon, no car draft today or what?
Nah, it's day off.
Oh, that's a
No
good
school
day,
today.
yo. It's a good day today then.
It's a beautiful morning.
Yeah. Now I can use the money I made today to buy some points in the NHL. So I could level up my team. My hut team.
You go to the game last night?
Nah, I didn't. But I wish I went. I went to overtime and our young gun scored. Robertson, our Asian hockey player.
I saw Sports Center.
You saw it?
Sports Center, yeah.
The overtime winner.
I didn't watch the game.
We played against Dallas. I was gonna go, but I'm like, you know what? My voice. I'm just gonna take a rest today. I've been to every home game this season so far, and it's not good.
That's not good.
I need to get a little break. They were disappointing me. They're playing like ass too.
Season tickets.
I know. You know how much they are? 80 grand.
80 grand for season tickets?
Yeah.
That's terrible.
Yeah, I know. And yeah, it's a wait list of I think 200. Like, I think 20 years right now. The wait list. It's a long wait list. So it's like,
Is it?
Yeah, I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get in when I'm like probably 40, bro. Ooh, 30-minute wick flow. Is there news today, chat? No, right? No news. No 830. Core retail sales for a Canadian dollar. That's about it. 30-minute wick flow ain't bad. Ain't bad. And it's on GJ plays. GJ, I mean, pretty bearish. Should continue down towards bottom of the range here. However, I'm interested in sells. Again, I told you guys today that I was gonna avoid this range here. I had this marked up today. I was gonna avoid it, and I was looking for sells below here, and I was looking for buys above here. So this, whatever happens in this range, it ain't for me. I'm staying out.
Decided to be a fool today, and now my account's over 200%. You're shot. W Theta. Don't do it anymore.
You're a fool today, but it might be a bigger fool in the future if you keep doing that. Took my first real profit today. Been training for a demo for months. A real profit. You love to see it. You love to see it. What's it too late for Asian? Yo, is there Asian session tonight? Yo, we might as well call it a day early today, or no, chat? What time is it?
Call it a week.
8:30, bro. Like, what are we gonna do now, man? Like, we took
nothing.
We're not taking a trade today. It's a Friday.
No, definitely not.
The week finished off strong. Like, Signals 8 this week. Like, bro, no point. Look at that bounce back though. Back to a regular schedule programming after the last 2 months. But yo, imagine if we didn't stay true to our plan though, and we changed our strategy up because we seen a bad month. What would have happened? Foolery would have happened. But yo, let's chat.
You'd be at a Keymaster machine right now.
Yeah, be back at McDonald's. Let's do a wordo, chat. Let's do a wordo, and then okay, maybe let's do a wordo, and we'll come back to the charts maybe for a bit. But let's see. I'm just doing a wordo first, and then maybe dip off. Maybe dip off after. If you guys are dipping off now, yo, I appreciate you being here. Love you guys. Thanks for showing love. Make sure you guys sub to the channel. Leave a like. Sorry for not being here for majority of the week, by the way. I was kind of sick, but you know, we're back, and then next week we're back back to our regular schedule programming. All right. But yeah, let's do this, and let's do this wordo, and then we'll see what's up. Trade. All right. So easy clap prize.
No, the R. Oh yeah, the R has to be second week.
Wow. Proud.
Broke.
Oh no, this is gonna be a hard word though. Oh no. No, it's not bad.
Grove. Grove.
Grove. Stove. How about stove? Oh no.
No, Grove.
Okay. Splendid. Hey, the streak continues. Well, 154 wins on Wordo. How many wins do you have on stream? 111? Yeah, we're not even close. We're close at 1 point. Oh, chat. I think might call that a day, yo. So, hey,
Damn,
have a
just
good day.
W's all around.
Yeah, I mean, what are we gonna do? Stay around, take another trade on Friday? Nah, bro. One win on a Friday, and that's it, man. I'm done after this, man. I'm done after this, man.
You gonna hit him with a set?
Pardon?
You gonna hit him with a DJ set?
Yeah. Yeah, chat. I think we're done here. So, yo, enjoy your Friday. I'll catch you guys on Monday morning at 6:30 a.m. Eastern, as per usual. Enjoy your profits today. Man, you guys learned something today. That's all that matters, right? Forget about the profits. But yeah, appreciate you being here. Love you guys, and I'll catch you guys Monday morning. Thank you for showing love, and hey, leave a like, chat. We need 400 likes in here, right? 400.
1600 block. I just wanna rock. I just wanna.
Yo, later.
I just wanna rock. Body yada yada. Shorty got that body yada yada. Hit it once, no time. Side up, fuck, you gon' kill my vibe. Stand on my money, don't know my size. Pick them sides, and you better choose wisely. That's my high. 1, 2, 3, 4, throw up to 5.
What did you make? Go back a bit. My terminal is on.
That's my high. Damn. 1, 2, 3, 4, throw up to 5.
MC, make another hit.
This ain't what you want.
Project
This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want.
Can't stop, won't stop, nigga. Yeah. Can't stop, won't stop, never stop. Can't stop, won't stop, never. Can't stop, won't stop, bad boy. Always upgrading from my last whore. I done fucked my Risha, Keisha, and Joy. And I ain't tripping if you didn't enjoy. I was locked 23 and 1. Now I bought like 23 and 1. Sniper game, I'm always playing manhunt. I'm the one who killed the fool and what? Still got the fire in my eyes, but I changed though. Suck my dick, bitch, I'm too rich to drive a Range Rover. La hater, baby, I remember stealing mangoes. How my side bitch fuck better than my main hoe. How my side bitch fuck better than my main bitch. Every nigga say smoke, they get extinguished.
I just talk that Guapanese, that's my language. I just put some Cartiers on my main bitch. I just put some Valentino on my main hoe. Bad boy chain bustin' like the rainbow. I'm off yak, I'm with yak in the limbo. Yelling out the window, money in the thing, ho. Yeah, we outside again. Couple goons with me, we ain't hiding it. Brand new color, and that's what we sliding in. That little bitch, I proud of her. That pussy good, she proud of it. I can't fall in love, cause that money be my bottom, bitch. But she still suck it and she swallow it. All these niggas steady hating, cause my money be more problems. And we'll let these niggas talk and we gon' silence them. King.
Can't stop, won't stop, bad boy. Always upgrading from my last whore. I done fucked my Risha, Keisha, and Joy. And I ain't tripping if you didn't enjoy. I was locked 23 and 1. Now I bought like 23 and 1. Sniper game, I'm always playing manhunt. I'm the one who killed the fool and what?
It might look light, but it's heavy like my Jesus. Might rock a throwback like I'm fab with the chick too. Fuck with me, baby, I got deli on them blunts too. She text me where you at, I sent the Addy come through. Now she in love with me cause she ain't used to luxury. Why would I hate on you? I do my thing comfortably. I'm not the one, I'm not the two, you know it's C3. She brushing on my waves, talking about she need me. Ooh.
Can't stop, won't stop, bad boy. Always upgrading from my last whore. I done fucked my Risha, Keisha, and Joy. And I ain't tripping if you didn't enjoy. I was locked 23 and 1. Now I bought like 23 and 1. sniper game, I'm always playing manhunt. I'm the one who kept the fool in what?
As we proceed to give you what you need, Kodak, King Combs.
Yeah. You fucking with that girl? Wake up, filthy.
I took the walk to Poland. I took the walk to Poland. I took the walk to Poland. I've been fiending like I'm Keenan, ride around with a Caltech. If you mean it, baby girl, do you mean it? I've been leaning, baby girl, I've been leaning. Phone still ringing, battling all my demons. I've been fiending, baby girl, I've been fiending. Hope you love me, baby, I hope you mean it. Walk to Poland. I took the walk to Poland. I took the walk to Poland.
Yeah, pull up on the curb and I'm thuggin'. Yeah, I'm about to spend a dub on Lakers. Got 100 rounds in the chopper. Bitch wanna fuck with my brother. Share the same pain and struggle, and ain't nothing coming between us. Yeah, her man's curves in the Maybach plush. Sippin' on syrup, that's sticky stuff. I got these diamonds on me, they be shining on me. All these bitches on me, oh, from crazy girls out in Cali, from around the globe, I've been on the road. Planes ain't wax, cause the money don't stop. Buy me a plane, I'ma land it on the block. Deal with this shit, nigga, gotta be hot.
Hey, hey, I paparazzi look just like racks. Pink, blue, money drop, perks in the green. Maids really love me, I never get lost. Sex, money, drugs, wanna tell it on me. Hurt my feelings and I got no flaws. Real rock star with a 40 in reach. Say your soul, I'ma put it in the vault. Broke my heart and you put it on the screen. 30 MG, cause that pain shit talk. Ran out of walk, throw the tricks in the peach. Super good Glocks, never diss over beats. Too much pride, gotta know it's defeat. Super loud Jeep, gotta know this is me. Range over tune, shit love and straight. 3 perk tune, you can see it on my face. Real pop daddy with the price at your waist. I paparazzi look just like racks. Pink, blue, money drop, perks in the green. Maids really love me, I never get lost. Sex, money, drugs, wanna tell it on me.
Pull up on the curb and I'm thuggin'. Yeah, I'm about to spend a dub on Lakers. Got a
Lucky Fire 5.
Roll me up another one, I'm about to do another one. Exotic gas up in my blood, you know I'm ready to smoke some. No, this shit not stopping.
Later. Y'all know damn.
It's just so ironic how I started from the bottom. I can tell that you gon' fold up. Been